Becker Trekkers. It's Earth Day and we're bike riding to pick up some garbage. Stop littering.
Stop littering. That's right. Are you ready, guys?
Let's take care of our Earth.
Let's go, Becker Trekkers.
Oh,
woohoo!
Look at this guy.
Let's go.
We're bike riding because
it's healthier for the Earth.
Yeah. If you were using your car, that's just
I'm ready to pick up garbage.
All right.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, Anton, are you getting lots of garbage?
Yeah.
Good job, bud. It is a beautiful day. That bag's bigger than you are. I think Anton has to go under the fence to go get it. Can you go under the fence, Anton, and go get it?
Can you leave garbage there?
Yeah. Watch your head, good thing you have a helmet. Ooh. Good job, Anton.
Good job, buddy. You went off the beaten path.
Way to go, buddy.
Any garbage there? Oh, there's garbage here.
Yeah, there's a bag of garbage there. Oh, there's some more leaves.
More blue in the leaves. So, you think they litter once, twice, or 3 times?
And then
What's under the tree there?
Oh, I was hoping there would be some McDonald's French fries.
Yeah.
Hey. Good job, garbage hunters.
I just want to thank you. We recently hit 50 subscribers. No, not recently. We did hit 50 subscribers and we're already at 100. Thank you guys so much for subscribing.
122 this morning.
Yes. And if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you just do it. It only takes 2 seconds.
That's right.
Just also.
It helps us spread the message, right?
Yeah.
You hold this.
You want me to hold that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Daddy. Get it?
Guys, why don't you just stop littering? There's just garbage cans everywhere. You have to take the world as your garbage can.
I think a lot of it gets blown here from other areas.
Look at this leaf, Mattea.
Ow.
Good job.
Good job, guys.
Let's go downstairs and see some more.
There's lots of pine cones to find.
Pine cones are okay. Come on.
Oh my.
Barely anything.
Pine cones. There's lots.
Looks like this area is very well taken care of. Hey, not much garbage here.
Oh, it's nice.
I guess they were planting flowers the wrong way.
Mommy, let's put garbage first, and then we can go put at the playground.
Okay.
That's a great idea.
Guys, I have a challenge for you. Leave a like on this video and make it go in the trending section of YouTube. I see it. Let's see you pick it up.
More over here.
look, I found a load of garbage. It's a garbage can. Do you remember when we were here egg hunting with the giant egg? It's gone now, but it was there.
Okay guys, we found some garbage.
Look at
COVID mask. Ew. People, dispose properly.
Let's see over here.
Guys, come over here. I saw a piece of it. It was like the end of
Okay.
it.
Should we carry on?
There's one more piece here somewhere.
What do you think, Aunt? Are you ready to go? Yeah? Say, let's go, Becker Trekkers. 3, 2, 1.
But you want to go?
Come here. Hey guys. Get it pumping.
More barbage. As Anton would say, barbage. Good job, guys. Oh, there's a few more.
He's riding and filming. That could be really dangerous.
Woo!
It's like
So, yeah, mommy got the cup.
there.
Oh yeah.
I like your shirt, Matei. It says, "I am the future." The future of green, right?
Yes.
Good job garbage picking, bud.
Oh, yeah.
Time to sanitize.
Here,
You guys want
Anton. Yeah, Anton.
You guys want some? Okay.
There we go. Thank you.
Here you go. Anton needs some. And then we need some water. Good job, guys.
Earth Day isn't just one day of the year, it's every day. Let's get out there and pick up some garbage and keep our earth clean. We can do this together.
Woohoo!
Traveling light and living simple. Soon a melody begins to rise. Traveling light and living simple. No matter which side's green, you're satisfied. No matter which side's green, you're satisfied.